cannot believe how perfect we did that. That was picture perfect, dude.
Oh my gosh.
He didn't have a clue.
Not a chance, dog.
Did you get it off that?
I got him.
You can't get any better than that.
No.
You cannot get better than that.
No.
Oh my gosh. Y'all have no clue. This morning, we woke up here, this public land, and we drove 3.5 hours out to the very northwest corner of Nebraska to turkey hunt. And we got there, and something just told us, man, he was like, this don't feel right. I feel like we should be back. Oh. Ow, that tree said no sir. Felt like we should be here. So we didn't even unpack, we just up and left. 3.5 hours back here. And we were just driving through the land, seeing kind of where we're gonna set up camp, where we're gonna scout tonight, and then hopefully set up in the morning. And after about an hour of that, we see this group of turkeys on the side of the road. We're like, oh. So we go up a little bit, park, get all our stuff together. I'm still in tennis shoes, so Brendan's still in dudes. We just up and went. They kind of spooked from the truck, but they ran towards us on the fence line. And they kind of dipped back below a hill. But I figured the only way they can go is, they were gonna go straight down the fence line, or kind of angle back and get settled back down. So I made the decision to just hop a couple ridges, then try and get over to where they were. And lo and behold, we pop over a ridge, I see a hen, and then I creep a little more, the whole group's down there, the toms all fanned out. And me and Brennan are on the same page the whole time. There's this little bottom in here. We figured they were gonna keep walking the bottom all the way down. So we hopped over this ridge to try and get down to the bottom. But we got held up here because we saw them. We're like, they're not moving too fast, we're just gonna watch them. Sat there for a little bit, and Brennan got the feeling, and I had it too. He was like, we should just get behind some cover just in case something comes. We came here, I'm not lying, 2 seconds after I sat down, there was one about 40 yards away, and it was a tom. I'm like, dude, right here. And he did it perfect. He came, looped down, came to about, what, 15 yards?
Oh, 15 maybe.
And this branch was absolutely perfect. I got down behind it, I drew. I was like, I was tucked back in here, and I wasn't gonna be able to come up, but I drew here, popped out, raised, boom, drilled. Man, I'm tired of talking. I want to see the bird. Oh man,
that's insane.
That is the best turkey hunt I've been a part of.
Same, dude.
Oh.
Same. 100%.
What a pretty fan.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Hybrid, ain't
Yeah, he's not a true Marion, but he's a hybrid.
he? You got Marion now.
Yeah. How's his beard and spurs?
Spurs, little.
And nubs, that's a definite hybrid.
Got a bad beard on. Oh man, I will take that any day of the week, man.
See those? And to boot, it's the windiest of all days.
Yeah. But actually, the wind helped us.
Oh yeah.
Incredibly.
We want to move like we did on the back ridge there.
Yeah. Not having to worry about sound, we could book it.
Yeah.
If we weren't able to book it, he was gonna beat us here.
Yeah. 100%.
It just goes to show, man, don't sleep in on these windy days. get down in their cover. And I know it may be a hard hunt. They're not going to be real vocal at all. Just as you saw, it can happen. It can happen. Oh my God. And just the fact that the first bird that came was a tom.
Yeah. It's usually a hen.
Well, yeah, when I seen that, I was like, it's probably a hen. She's going to blast us. And I saw a deer. I'm like, it's tom. First turkey with a bow. Let's go. That is,